guys, magluluto kami ngayon ng ratatouille. This is ratatouille. This is eggplant. Yan, eggplant. And this is aubergine. Yan. And this is paprika. On chili and onions on garlic. Ada sinok garlic lang. Sinok garlic. On rosemary, paprika powder. What is kokuma in the English? This is estragon. Estragon. Kokuma is I don't know what's English. Let's go to cook. Ilagay natin ang olive oil. Yan ang bawang or garlic. Yeah. Tomato sauce first. That is tomato sauce. Tomato sauce muna first. Oh, that is tomato.
Premium tomato.
Premium tomatoes with buo-buo. Buo-buo by the gansen. So, nilagyan ko siya ng asin at saka paminta on a little bit sugar. Sugar, no? Right? Okay. We put red cubes. Beef sauce. Beef cubes. Yan. Beef. Das noch eins.
Was?
Anders noch drin. So, fry this vegetable. This this one. Lagyan natin ng salsas. Lagyan natin ng rosemary. Tapos lagay niya yung bawang. Konti. Balikta rin natin. Lagyan natin ang paprika. Oregano. Lagyan natin ito. This riddle as well as onion or chili, green chili. Lagyan natin doon. Yeah. So, ilagay na natin yung zucchini lang. In English is zucchini. lagyan niya ng olive oil. Tapos, baliktarin natin mamaya, guys. Okay? Lagyan natin salt. Yan. Tapos, lagyan niya naman niya yung bawang. Lagyan natin yung estragon. Yeah. Blaw. Yan. Lagyan natin ng paprika powder. I-mix lahat na vegetable, guys. Tapos, yan. Yan ang lahat. Tapos, cook until maano siya. Cook until soft na siya. Nandyan sa ano lang. And the white cream. Special ratatouille. Yan. So, lagyan pa natin ng salt lab. Salt pilay. Yan. Let's to now for 30 minutes cook. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you for